we are going to discuss about the remaining land adaptation of the bryophyte. In the previous video we have discussed about the 4 adaptation, 3 were remaining. So fifth one was the protection of reproductive cell. For example, we are having the anthridria. What is this? This is the anthridria. What is it? It is a male sex organ of the bryophyte. Alright. These are what? These are the different androcyte, which means sperm, which means these are the mother cell. Alright, which produce what? Which produce the sperm. Alright, sperm or gametes by the mitosis. This is what? This is a sterile jacket layer. Sterile jacket cells layer. It means that it is basically don't play a role in the reproduction, but it basically protect the anthridria by what? By dryness, which means it put the anthridria moist. Alright, this was the protection of the reproductive cell. This was anthridria, which was male sex organ. Now we are going to discuss about the female sex organ. This is what? This is the archegonia, which means female sex organ, and this is what? This is the egg cell. Egg cell is single, sperm are million, single cell. Alright. As well as if we talk about, so here we are having at the inner side we have a neck canal cell. From here the sperm basically come and fuse with this egg cell for the fertilization. Alright, when sperm move for the fertilization, so the neck cell basically got disintegrate. Alright, and here the outer of the archegonia we are having the sterile jacket cells layer, which basically do what? Which basically help in the protection. So you can see that how this sterile jacket cell layer is doing protection of the reproductive cells as well as the organs. Here they are having this hair like structure, which is what? Which is the paraphysis that I told you in the previous video. So this was about the 5th adaptation of the protection of the reproductive cell. Alright, now we are going to discuss about the formation of the embryo, 6th adaptation. Alright, formation of embryo, how? Fusion of the male and the female sex organ, haploid and make a diploid zygote. After zygote, the embryo basically produce, which is also 2n. Alright, so it is protect into the parent body, which is what? Which is the in the archegonium, which means female sex organ. It is protected into the female sex organ, and then it convert into the sporophyte, which is the diploid stage. So embryo basically convert into the protonema. Protonema is a filamentous body which produce again the male and female sex organs, or you can say the gametophyte, female and male. So this was the formation of the embryo. 7th, we are having the alternation of the generation, which means in the bryophytes, in the cell cycle, in the cycle of the bryophytes, we have discussed about the 2 stages. First was sporophyte, second was gametophyte. Sporophyte was diploid and this was haploid. From the sporophyte, spores were developing. From the gametophyte, gametes were developing. Both are different. That is called the alternation of the generation, which means both are different stages. This is diploid, this is haploid. So this was about the remaining land adaptation of the bryophytes.